Best alternatives to olive oil. Peanut oil is light yellow in color and has a pleasantly sweet aroma and taste that people just can't help but love. Made up of monounsaturated fats, the good fats. Just 1 tablespoon of peanut oil contains 11% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin E. Because peanut oil has a high smoke point and it doesn't absorb the flavors of the food that it's cooking, peanut oil is a great choice for oil when it comes to sautéing and deep frying veggies or meat. Peanut oil is best used when it's being added to stir-fried veggies and other Asian meals. While butter has a delicious flavor and a nice creamy texture, it is absolutely full of fat-soluble vitamins A, E, and K. Butter works wonders at enhancing the flavors in food, and it does an incredible job at adding a little bit of complexity to baked goods. Unfortunately, because butter has a rather low smoke point, it can burn easily, so you have to make sure that you're paying close attention to what you're cooking when using butter. Butter works very well when you're using it with baked goods, such as cookies or cakes. Cooking ratio: 1 melted butter to 1 olive oil. Baking ration: 4 butter to 3 olive oil. Ghee is a type of clarified butter made from cow's milk that is typically used in Indian and Ayurvedic cooking. Ghee is characterized by its deep golden color and irresistible nutty flavor. Similar to butter, ghee melts very quickly and it adds a bit of complexity to the food that it's being added to, which means you have to pay close attention to what you're doing when using it. Ghee is also free of lactose and casein, contains short-chain fatty acids, has no preservatives, and is high in dietary fats. Since ghee has a smoke point of 480 degrees Fahrenheit, it works well for pan frying and baking. Ghee works best in different curries and flavoring rice. As the name suggests, walnut oil comes from walnuts that have been dried and cold-pressed. Once the process is completed, the result is a light-colored oil that has a thick consistency and a lovely nutty taste. Walnut oil is high in polyunsaturated fats, antioxidants, and omega-3s, so it's a great addition to your dietary intake. Walnut oil is best used when it's tossed with pasta or drizzled on top of grilled fish before being served. Sunflower oil is a light amber oil that is chock full of nutrients, and as the name hints, it comes from sunflower seeds. While sunflower oil has a nice nutty taste, it contains plenty of oleic acid, vitamins K and E, phytosterols, and monounsaturated fatty acids. Needless to say, sunflower oil has an incredible number of health benefits. And considering that sunflower oil is low in cholesterol and can withstand high temperatures, it makes the perfect oil to match with steak. Ratio: 1 sunflower oil to 1 olive oil. Canola oil, also known as rapeseed oil, is made from pressed canola seeds. Characterized by its smooth texture and light yellow color, canola oil is easy to point out and even easier to enjoy when it's cooked with certain foods. Canola oil contains high levels of monounsaturated fatty acids, making it a heart-healthy option. It's also the oil with the richest content of omega-3 fat alpha-linolenic acid. With a moderately high smoke point and affordable cost, canola oil is perfect for deep frying different foods and cooking in large quantities. Ratio: 1 canola oil to 1 olive oil. Despite its name, vegetable oil generally contains a mixture of several different oils, including canola and soybean oil. Even though it's relatively inexpensive and a decent source of vitamin E, vegetable oil is pretty high in saturated fats. Because of its neutral flavor and smoke point of 440 degrees Fahrenheit, vegetable oil works best when you're doing high-temperature cooking. Because of the high content of saturated fats, vegetable oil should be used in moderation. Considering the fact that coconut oil only contains 117 calories per tablespoon, it's the perfect alternative to olive oil when you don't want the extra pounds that come with it. Because coconut oil is a medium-chain saturated fat, it's metabolized much faster than other saturated fats. It's also absolutely loaded with antioxidants. You can purchase coconut in 2 different ways: refined and unrefined coconut oil. Refined coconut oil has a smoke point of 350 degrees, so it's best when it's used in baking and sautéing. The unrefined version, also known as virgin coconut oil, hasn't been processed as much as refined coconut oil and it has a higher smoke point, so it's best to be used when frying food. Because of the slightly nutty flavor associated with, known for their high levels of potassium and fiber, Bananas are also used for their ability to regulate blood sugar and improve heart health. As odd as it might be, bananas also make a great substitute for olive oil because of its smooth texture. While it's typically paired with baking, mashed bananas can substitute olive oil in dishes where the banana taste will complement the other ingredients being used. As you've probably heard in the recent past, avocado has an incredible number of health benefits associated with it, which is why avocado has become a bit of a fad as of late. Considering that avocado oil is rich in oleic acid, which is great for your heart, avocado oil makes a great substitute when you want to kick up your health game. Because olive oil has a high smoke point, it works great when it comes to grilling and roasting. Ratio: 1 avocado oil to 1 olive oil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.